Here it comes. There they go. Here comes the car. This beauty is pulled up. Not sure what the colors indicate. Public service, city transit. You can hear the diesel. No, that's not diesel. Some type of motor running. It might be electric or auxiliary power. Don't know. Really neat though. I so badly want to ride one of these. So this one is dolled up in Birmingham electric livery, which I'm assuming is Birmingham, Alabama. Pretty darn cool. Look at that thing, it's just gorgeous. Although I think they're missing their trim on their headlight. Got broken. Still, it's pretty neat. How could you not love that face? Really neat. Has the bell and everything. All right, we're in San Francisco and we're looking at these beautiful old restored trolleys. They're gorgeous. They're all updated and restored with modern powertrain, but still retain the old looks. Beautiful. Still have the old bells, still being in use. Fancy color schemes. There's another one down here. Really cool. Really neat, fancy old electric trolleys. See the wires and the poles that get the electricity? Pretty neat. I love these things. All aboard. Here comes a new one pulling into the station. The Embarcadero. Yeah, it's gorgeous. You just scoot them right up. Don't want to waste any space. There they go. That one is made to look like the city of Chicago, CTA transit system. I believe. They're all painted up in different cities' colors. Here comes a real beauty. That thing is gorgeous. Look at the color scheme on that. Wow. All the people are waiting. But a lot of people haven't seen it come by in a while. That is really neat. I want to ride that. Maybe today.